Wow.
So it's May 10th. Finally got Joe out for the first time in 2023. We started a few different places, came up empty. Actually got into one flock, but they were all henned up. This was our third set.
Third sit, dude.
Oh my gosh. Well, sit number 2 was a bust. We got, I don't know, 2 more spots that we can go try to strike up some birds and make something happen.
Give it a shot.
We're gonna give it hell. Stick with us, hopefully we get one down. This guy was on a hen and we put the thin series to work and called him in from about 200 yards away right off the live hen, and Joey made an unbelievable shot and we got it all on film, and
unbelievable calls, dude. Unbelievable calls.
Just an insane morning, man.
Turned him off the live hen, put him on the decoy.
It was insane.
Buddy, get ready. He's halfway across already.
Alright.
He's coming.
I'm on your call.
Yeah, you're good.
No, I'm saying you let me know when to get up.
Yep.
Because I have to, you want me to draw first?
Yeah, try to. He's standing, he's kind of picking at the ground a little bit. Oh dude, he's coming. Joey, put your phone away. I'm gonna kind of play it like this now.
He's like 30 out.
This could be epic right now.
What?
This could be epic. Joey, flip around. He's coming.
Right now?
Joey, flip around.
Now?
Oh yeah, no. Take your time on your shot.
Oh my God, he was doing something. Look in the woods. They just came out of the house. They just came out of the house. Look at them. Look at them in the house. They're in the house.
Are you kidding me?
He's right here to our left. Oh. Where is he? I don't know. Hold on. Hold on. I don't see him.
He's coming.
I hear him.
Yep.
I think he's right here. Get him, go get him. Go get him. Step on his head.
Hell yeah, brother. You did that whole thing. You did that whole thing, dude. You did that whole thing, bro. You did that whole thing, bro.
It was probably one of the most crazy turkey hunts I've ever encountered. And his, obviously, because it's his first.
First turkey.
Hopefully there's more to come. Right, buddy?
Dude, thank you, man.
Let's go.
Love it.